Hi everyone, these sums from the chapter linear equations in one variable, exercise 2.3. Solve the following equations. All this problem contains simplification and find the variable as a subject and find the value of the given variable. First question, 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. Here x variables and 7, 5, 2, these are constant numbers. All alphabetical letters are variable. Their value always not be standard. So those are variables and all numbers are called constants. Okay. Now take all like terms one side. Like terms means all variables like terms. All constants are like terms. X like terms. Y like terms. X square like terms. Like. All take like terms at one side. 7x, this plus 2x left hand side means minus 2x, minus 5 is equal that side plus 5. Now 7x minus 2x, 7x minus 2x, 5x is equal to 5. Take this x as a subject, then 5 doing here multiplication, send is equal that side, transpose. Doing multiplication after transposition, division, 5 get cancelled, x value is 1. Now second problem, 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 6. Take all variables at one side. 5x, this plus 2x left hand side means minus 2x, already right hand side minus 6, minus 12 side is equal that side plus 12. 5x 2x 3x, 12 minus 6 6. Now x is equal to 6, doing here 3 multiplication, after transposition division, 6 by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 are 6, x is equal to 2. Now third problem, 7p minus 3 is equal to 3p plus 8. Okay, all like terms arrange at one side. 7p plus 3p is equal to this side minus 3p, minus 3 is equal to that side plus 3, already there is 8. 8 plus 3, 7p minus 3p means p's are 7, p's are 3, 7 times p, 3 times p, their difference is 4 times p is equal to 8 plus 3, there is some 11. Now p is equal to 11 by 4, send this 4 is equal to that side, doing here multiplication is equal to that side division. Now next fourth problem, 8m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8. Arrange like terms at one side. 7m take this side plus 7m minus 7m plus 9 is equal to that side minus 9. 8m minus 7m m, 8 minus 9 minus 1. Big number is 9, small number is 8. Their difference 1 and big number symbol is minus. So m value is minus 1. Next fifth problem. 7z plus 13 is equal to 2z plus 4. Arrange like terms at one side. So all variables one side, all constants one side. Now plus 2z is equal to this side minus 2z, plus 13 is equal to that side minus 13. 7z minus 2z 5z, 4 minus 13 minus 9. Now z is equal to, doing here 5 multiplication is equal to that side division, minus 9 by 5. Now sixth one, 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. All variables one side, all constant one side. So plus 15y is equal to this side minus 15y, plus 5 is equal to that side minus 5. 9y minus 15y gives minus 6y is equal to minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6 by 6 is equal to, both they are get cancelled. We got the answer 1. Now seventh problem, 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 of x minus 2. This 5 belongs to x and belongs to 2. A into b minus c, distributive property under subtraction. Okay, 3x plus 4 is equal to, send this 5 inside the brackets. So 5 into x, 5x minus plus into minus minus, 5 2s are 10. All variables one side, all constant one side. Plus 3x, this plus 5x is equal to this side minus 5x, plus 4 is equal to that side minus 4. 3x minus 5x, big 5 small 3, their difference to big number symbol minus 2x is equal to minus 10 minus 4 minus 14, x is equal to minus 14 by minus 2, 2 1 is 2 7s are minus get cancel, value of x is equal to 7. Seventh problem completed. Now next eighth problem. 3 of t minus 3 is equal to 5 of 2t minus 1. Send this 3 term inside the bracket. This 3 belongs to t and belongs to 3, means you must multiply this 3 with the first term, same this 3 with the second term. 3 into t, 3t, plus into minus, 3 3s are 9 is equal to 5 2s are 10. Before first symbols multiplication, next constant multiplication, next variables multiplication. Plus into plus, 5 2s are 10, 5 into t, plus into minus, 5 1 is 5. Now take all variables one side, 3t minus 10t is equal to minus 9 is equal to that side, plus 9 minus 5 plus 9. Their difference minus 7, t is equal to their difference 4, t is equal to 4 by minus 7 or t is equal to minus 4 by 7. Now next ninth problem. 5 of p minus 3 is equal to 3 of p minus 2. Send this 5 inside the bracket. 5 into p, 5p minus 5 3s are 15 is equal to 3p minus 3 2s are 6. All variables one side. 5p minus 3p is equal to minus 6 plus 15. 5p, 3p, 2p is equal to 15 minus 6, 9. Now p is equal to, send this 2 is equal to that side, 9 by 2. Now next 10th problem. 5 of z plus 3 is equal to 4 of 2z plus 1. 5 into z, 5z plus 5 3s are 15 is equal to 4 2s are 8z plus 4 1 is 4. All variables one side. 5z minus 8z is equal to all constant one side. 4 minus 15. 5 minus 8 minus 3, 15 minus 4 minus 11. Z is equal to 11 by 3, minus get cancel. Value of z is equal to 11 by 3. Next 11th one. 15 of x minus 1 plus 4 of x plus 3 is equal to 2 of 7 plus x. Now send all these coefficients into the bracket. 15 into x, 15x minus 15 1 is 15 plus 4 into x, 4x plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 2 7s are 14 plus 2 1 is 2 and x 2x. Now arrange all like terms one side, all variables one side, all constants one side. Already there is 15x plus 4x. This plus 2x is equal to this side minus 2x. Already right hand side there is a 14. Now send this minus 15 is equal to that side plus 15. Plus 12 is equal to that side minus 12. 15x, 4x, 19x minus 2x is equal to 15, 14, 29 minus 12. Now the difference of these two numbers 17 and the difference of these two numbers also 17. X is equal to 17 by 17 get 1. Now next 12th problem. 3 of 5z minus 7 plus 2 of 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 of 8z minus 7 minus 111. 3 5s are 15z minus 3 7s are 21 plus 2 9s are 18z minus plus into minus 2 11s are 22 is equal to 4 8s are 32z minus 4 7s are 28 minus 111. Now take all variables one side, all constants one side. Already there is 15z, 18z left hand side. Right hand side minus 32z, sorry plus 32z. Take this side minus 32z. Already right hand side minus 28 minus 111. Now this minus 21 is equal to that side plus 21. This minus 22 is equal to that side plus 22. Add one time negative numbers, add one time positive numbers. 819, 213, 1 minus 139. Next 21, 22, 3 4 43. Their difference 139 43. 9 3 6, 13 4 9 96. Okay. All this simplification we got minus 96. Because minus 139 is big number, this is small number, big number, small number. So answer also negative number. 33z minus 32z. There are total 33 z's. Among them we removed 32z. Then remaining 1 z. Z is equal to minus 96. Next 13th problem. 8 of x minus 3 minus 6 minus 2x is equal to 2 of x plus 2 minus 5 of 5 minus x. 8 into x, 8x, plus into minus minus, 8 3s are 24, minus into plus minus, 6 1 in 6 are 6, minus into minus plus 1 2x are 2x is equal to 2x plus 2 2 are 4, minus 5 5 25, minus into minus plus 5x. Now take all variables one side, 8x, 2x, this minus 2x is equal to this side, this 5x this side. Okay, already there are plus 4 minus 25, send this minus 24 change as 24 plus minus 6 change as plus 6. Now 2x get cancelled, 8x minus 5x 3x is equal to 24 6 30 plus 4 34 minus 25, 34 minus 25 5 plus 4 9, x is equal to 9 by 3, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, the value of x is 3. Now last problem, 14th problem. Okay, 3 of n minus 4 plus 2 of 4n minus 5 is equal to 5 of n plus 2 plus 16. 3 into n, 3n minus 3 4s are 12 plus 2 4s are 8n minus plus into minus minus 2 5s are 10 is equal to 5 into n 5n plus 5 2s are 10 plus 16. All variables one side, 3n 8n plus 5n minus 5n. Already there is a 10, 16 is there, minus 12 plus 12 minus 10 plus 10. Now 8n 3n 11n minus 5n is equal to 10 10 20 16 12 28. 11n 5n 6n is equal to 20 20 40 and 8 48. n is equal to 48 by 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 8 is 48. See, plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to plus. Same symbols multiplication always plus, different symbols multiplication always minus. Same plus plus plus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus. Different symbols multiplication always minus, same symbols multiplication is always plus. Thank you so much.